So you clicked on the video because you want to get your lawn darker green. Well, I'm only using one product in this video and you will get the results. It's called Simple Lawn Solutions Darker Green. It's in the name, and there's going to be no extra junk in this video. We are using this product. I'm going to show you how to mix it, and then we're going to throw it on the lawn, and then we're going to see the results. What we're going to be using is Simple Lawn Solutions Darker Green. This is the best iron that I have found, and cost efficient. If you like doing granular, Ironite is your other option, but that stuff is so expensive and doesn't cover enough, and you're going to spend like 4 or 5 times what the Simple Lawn Solutions cost. I have my tank pre-mixed already, so we're going to be only adding in 1 extra gallon. I don't want you to be fooled by what I have sitting out. I already have water in the tank. So you need the product, the water. I have a mixer here on my drill. That's because I have a 14-gallon tank here. Normally, if you have a pump sprayer, let's say you have just a small lawn, you can get away with the pump sprayer, or if you have a backpack sprayer, you can shake those up. This one you cannot. So when I pour the concentrate in there, it sits at the bottom. I use the mixer, and then I mix this all up. And then I have a set of boots, because if you have the Skechers mesh dad shoes, because I'm an old man and I don't like laces, it will bleed through there, get on your socks, you'll smell like pennies. That's the thing with iron, it smells like pennies, like copper, and it'll stain your cement. So be careful when you're spraying to try not to get it on the cement. And then another big thing that I have going on is I have a fan tip on here that gives you a nice blanket spray. This one has thick droplets, so it doesn't, if it's windy, you don't want to spray in the wind, it drops it straight down. So when you get other kinds of sprayers, they'll have cone sprayers and weird things. You want a fan tip is what it's called, and it'll spray it out on a wide angle. So now I have a little bit mixed in here. As you see, I got 32 ounces left in that little container. I'm going to pour that in, mix in my last gallon of water, because when you mix this stuff, you only want some water in here, and then you pour the mixture in so it kind of stirs it all up. I'm going to mix it, and then we're going to get to spraying and then water it in. And I like to let this sit for 30 minutes and then water it in to let the plant like soak it up. And then, you know, you'll almost probably see it start to turn green. If you wait too long, it could actually make it turn black if you let that iron sit on there, but that doesn't hurt it. So we're going to spray, water it in. We got rain coming tonight, so it's going to water it in even more. And then we're going to see the true results in about 3 days. So let's get spraying. So before you click off the video, I got 3 tips for you that are a must before you just go out and start spraying this stuff, all right? And one starts with this. If you look, this fan tip is spraying out to here and over to here, okay? So now I'm going to come back and make sure that I overlap just a little bit. If you go too far over and you don't overlap, you will get a light green spot here that no product got on, and it'll look silly. And vice versa, if you get too close and you overlap too far, this is going to be a double application, and you're going to get a super dark stripe here in your lawn. It's going to look like a zebra. So be aware when you're spraying how far it's going out. Pick your line and then do your overlapping. As you can see, we're walking through the product because we're not walking backwards. If you're wearing normal shoes, this will soak into your sock and you'll smell like pennies for like a week. Look how wet these are. So get yourself some boots. It's called PPE. All right, so I just want to mention that when I'm saying 6 ounces per 1,000, when you're reading the label, it says per 1,000, which is also per gallon. So if you have, I'm doing 6 ounces per 1,000. I'm doing 6 ounces per gallon. So we're doing 6 gallons here. So I'm doing 36 ounces. Okay, if that makes sense, because labels can get funny. But so per gallon, A gallon is 1,000. That's how in the lawn care community they do it. That's how the rate goes, is 1 gallon equals 1,000 square feet. Just wanted to let you know. So one more important thing, if you have the backpack sprayer, any kind of battery powered with a hose, you want to get this through the lines. I have 150 feet worth of hose here. I want to make sure that this iron product gets all the way through, because I'm spraying water right now because that's what I had through the lines to clean it. Now we're getting the iron all through, because you want to start right away spraying your product. So you just spray it back into the tank. So that's all you got to do, is spray it on the lawn. Now we're going to water it in, as you should, after it sits for a little bit. And then we're going to get some rain. It's good to time it with the weather, and then check out these results. And look at that. This drone footage is crazy. Look how dark we are. The domination line between the neighbors. Don't worry, I'm gonna end up spraying my neighbors. But this stuff is the truth. And I mean, here we are. I had to water it in a little bit more because we had a bit of a situation. Look at that domination line. But I just want to show you, look at this lawn, dark. We're different shades of green because this is a salad bar. We got all kinds of different types of grasses, and that'll happen in your lawn unless you have all one kind. You know, different grasses get darker than others, but I want to show you what happened here. As I said in the beginning, if you look, you see we got green and then almost black. It's because when I sprayed and I let it sit and I'm like, wait 30 minutes. Well, I watered one area with the system that I have. That's 15 minutes. Then the front zone's 15 minutes, and then another zone 15 minutes. And then by the time it got to the outer edges, it's like it was already sitting for an hour, and then the grass starts to change as you spray it. This stuff starts working right away. So 20-30 minutes, water it in. It's like enough time. Like if you have a smaller lawn and you can water the whole thing, if not, then spray, water right away. But I mean, man, look at these results. Domination line, simple lawn solutions, darker green. Stuff is very easy to use, cost efficient, and just water it in, man. You spray, water it in. So if you want a dark green lawn, this is the way to go. Hopefully this video helped you out. Try to make it really simple, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't worry, I'm fixing that. Peace.